Well, hi there. It's Mahjong with Michelle, once again playing on Real Mahjong. Let's begin a new game. As you know, I'm playing 2026 in the fast mode and invisible mode, so nobody will join the game. So let's get started.
First right.
As I always do, I go over to these two arrows to sort by suit. This is what I would normally do in a real game. I would sort by suit, and then if I'm not seeing pairs or pungs or kongs, I would sort by rank. So you can see that over here. You would just hit these arrows again. It'll sort it. It will sort the tiles by rank. In this case, I have a pair of ones and I have a pair of fives. That does meet in consecutive runs. So I would keep this two because that supports the one and the five in consecutive run. I might keep one of the threes that I see here. So let's just keep the three bam. These are the lower end. These are the lower end tiles. So you have that 1 through 5 combination, 5 through 9. That typically works for your consecutive run and your 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Because you can see if you look at your 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, there's the 1, 3, 3, 5 hand, the 1, 3, 5 with the dragons and flowers, the 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. So those are your lower end, and then kind of look at that on your own time, the 5, 7, 9, how that works, right? So that's then the higher tiles, the 5 through 9 tiles. Okay, so in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a possibility, especially since I have this. I'm going to, of course, keep my my flower, and I'm going to keep my dragon because there is a flower dragon consecutive run hand, so I'll go ahead and keep that. And then I'll get rid of 3, 8. And I'm not ready to get rid of my green, though eventually I may, so I'm going to go ahead and do the 6. Okay. Let's see what happens. So I got a 3 back. I might keep the 2 for there is a run, lower end run with 1s and 5s, right? Flanking it, so it would be 2, 3, 4 in the center. Now I did get this other dragon. Let's just see here. I am going to let the dragons go, which I typically don't. I'm going to do the 3, 6 dragon. Little dangerous because I do know that I gave a 3 dot over here. So let's just see what I get back. Okay. I don't need any of this. So I'm going to let all of that go. Holding on to this high value white dragon. So I did get that 3 dot back. I'm not going to hold on to it. So let's get rid of that.
Across.
Okay. And then I've had all these before.
Last right.
And there's that one again, that one again. So for last right, I'm going to hold on to this 3. I'm going to do a blind. And the reason why is then I know I'm the first one to toss out a tile. The first tile I'm going to probably toss out is this 3.
Optional across.
Okay, and I don't need that 3. Really what I need is a 4 bam. Okay, so let's get started.
3 dot. South. Green.
And I'm going to get rid of that green. 9 dot as well because those are kind of flying around. Okay.
4 dot. 4 dot. North.
I also know that the 6 crack was one that I had.
8 crack.
So I'll go ahead and get rid of that.
8 dot. 8 dot.
I'm still in lower end consecutive run. I'm going to hold on to these 2 for a second, see if I could do a joker bait.
8 crack.
Okay, and I need that. So I actually have to get rid of it now.
1 bam. West. 9 dot.
Okay, I'm going to get rid of this high value one.
6 crack. Green. 3 dot.
I'm going to have to make a decision very soon here.
East. 9 bam. Soap.
Okay. I don't like that I have gaps in this. So, a 4 bam coming my way would be very, very helpful.
West. 8
There's
dot.
another 3 dot.
3 bam.
I don't need that 3 bam.
South. 3 dot.
Okay.
4 crack.
So if I took the 4 crack, and then I'm not going to do that, right? Because then I would be putting up 2 jokers. If I took the red, I would really be pinning myself in. So I'm not doing that.
East.
Okay.
One crack.
Okay. I'm gonna take that.
Call.
I'm kind of pinning myself in. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the
Red.
red dragon.
6 dot. 9 crack.
What am
bam.
what am I missing? I'm missing a flower and I'm missing the 4 bam. So let's just see if I get a flower or 5 crack.
4 dot. 4 crack. 6 dot. 6 bam.
Okay. Let's get rid of this
2
2
crack.
crack so it's out of my hand. And
1
let me just
dot.
see if. Okay, and I don't need a 1 dot.
North. 2 crack. 9 bam.
Okay, so
3
that's my
dot.
flower. So I need a 4 bam to win.
7 crack. Flower.
And I'm not going to take that flower because if I took it, people might know what I'm playing. And I
8
don't
bam.
need it. I have so many jokers
South.
to get a jokerless hand is
1 bam.
not
2
totally.
crack.
It's possible because it's early in the game, but I'm not going to
4 dot.
put that up there and let
2
people
bam.
know exactly what I'm playing. I need a 4
Flower.
bam.
Red. 5 dot. 5 crack.
And here again, same situation. I'm not going to take it and put up a live joker because that's the first one to go. That means I'd leave one live. So I'm not taking that.
4 bam.
There it is. And that's Mahjong. I mean, it's really that easy.
Mahjong.
Bingo. This is consecutive run, the second line, and it's the 2 suited one. All right. Thanks for watching.